Mend your ways, understanding and using the phrase. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, mend your ways. This phrase is not just about words. It's about actions, change, and personal growth. So, if you're ready to dive into the world of English idioms and expressions, let's get started. Mend your ways is an idiom that means to improve your behavior or to stop doing something wrong. It's often used as advice or a request for someone to change their negative habits. The word, mend, here is key, which traditionally means to repair something that's broken. So, when we say, mend your ways, it's like saying, repair your behavior. Understanding the origin of phrases can be really helpful. Mend your ways comes from an older use of the word mend, which meant to make something better. Historically, it was used in a broader sense, like improving a situation or behavior. This phrase is quite old, dating back to times when language was more formal and poetic. Using idioms correctly can be challenging, but it's great for sounding more like a native speaker. Here are some examples. 1. After the teacher's advice, he decided to mend his ways and focus more on his studies. 2. If she doesn't mend her ways, she might lose her friends. Notice how the phrase is used to suggest a change in someone's actions or habits. There are other ways to express the same idea. Some synonyms and similar phrases include turn over a new leaf, reform, straighten up. Each of these can be used in slightly different contexts but carry a similar meaning of changing for the better. Mend your ways is a powerful phrase that's about more than just language. It's about life and self-improvement. We hope this video has helped you understand and use this phrase effectively in your English conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey. Keep exploring and improving. See you in the next video.